Ever felt like you're in an arm wrestling match with your own steering wheel just to make a simple turn? 1 minute, driving is effortless. The next, you're using all your might to navigate a parking lot. That sudden struggle isn't you losing your strength. It's a classic telltale sign that your car's power steering system is in trouble, and often the culprit is low-power steering fluid. This hydraulic fluid is the lifeblood of your steering system, multiplying your effort to make turning the wheels a breeze. When it runs low, that assistance disappears. So today, we're going to break down all the sneaky symptoms, from the obvious to the subtle. Understanding these signs can save you from being caught off guard, or worse, stuck somewhere grunting at your car and facing a much more expensive repair down the road. First up, the most common symptom, your steering feels incredibly stiff or heavy. This isn't just a minor inconvenience, it's a direct message from your car's hydraulic system. You'll notice it most when you're moving slowly, like trying to pull into a tight parking space or making a 3-point turn. Suddenly, an action that should be simple requires a full-body workout. This happens because at low speeds and RPMs, the power steering pump isn't spinning as fast, and with low fluid it simply can't generate the hydraulic pressure needed to help you. At higher speeds on the highway, you might not even notice it, but the moment you slow down, it feels like you're driving a tank. If your daily drive starts feeling more like a gym session, that's a huge red flag. Next, use your ears. Your car has a language, and right now it might be crying for help. Do you hear a distinct groaning, whining, or squealing noise whenever you turn the wheel? A persistent, high-pitched whine that gets louder as you turn is the classic sound of the power steering pump being starved of fluid. It's sucking in air instead of liquid, which causes that terrible noise and puts immense strain on the pump itself. A deep groan, on the other hand, can indicate air is already trapped in the lines. Don't just turn up the radio to drown it out. These aren't just annoying sounds, they're audible warnings of impending and potentially costly component failure. Another dangerous symptom is a slow or delayed response from your steering. You turn the wheel, but there's a noticeable lag before your car actually begins to change direction. It feels sluggish, almost as if it's thinking about whether to obey your command. This terrifying delay is caused by a lack of hydraulic pressure. The fluid isn't there to instantly transmit your input from the steering wheel to the steering rack. In an emergency, like swerving to avoid debris on the highway, that split-second hesitation can be the difference between a close call and a collision. And finally, the most concrete evidence of all, a leak. If you're constantly needing to top off your fluid, it's not just evaporating, it's escaping. Check your driveway or regular parking spot for puddles. Power steering fluid is typically thin and oily, and can be reddish, pink, or amber in color. Don't confuse it with engine oil, which is usually dark brown or black, or coolant, which is often bright green or orange and has a sweet smell. A leak from a cracked hose or a failing seal is the smoking gun that confirms why your fluid is low and why you're experiencing all these other symptoms. If you spot a reddish or brownish puddle under the front of your car, that's a classic sign of a power steering fluid leak. Low fluid is the #1 cause of steering problems. The leak could be coming from several places: aging rubber hoses, a failing seal on the pump, or even from the steering rack. Because the system is highly pressurized, even a tiny leak can quickly drain your reservoir. Ignoring that puddle is a gamble you don't want to take. When the fluid gets too low, the power steering pump is forced to run without proper lubrication. This creates intense friction and heat, which not only destroys the pump, but can also send tiny metal shavings throughout the entire steering system. Suddenly, what could have been a simple hose replacement has contaminated the steering rack and lines. That's a repair bill that can easily jump from under $100 to well over $1,000. Another major red flag is a distinct burning smell. That's the smell of your power steering pump literally cooking itself. The intense heat is breaking down what little fluid is left and destroying the pump's internal seals. If you smell this, it's a critical warning. It means severe damage is happening in real time, and a complete failure of the pump is likely just around the corner. So, what should you do if you spot these symptoms? Don't ignore them. First, park on a level surface. Your owner's manual will tell you whether to check the fluid with the engine hot or cold. Pop the hood and locate the power steering reservoir. It's usually a small container with a cap that has a steering wheel symbol on it. Before you open it, wipe the cap and the area around it clean to prevent any dirt from falling in. Most reservoirs have hot and cold level markings on the side, or a dipstick attached to the cap. If the level is below the min line, you've found the issue. If it's low, you'll need to top it off, but this is crucial. Use the specific fluid recommended in your owner's manual. Using the wrong type, even a so-called universal fluid, can be a costly mistake. The wrong additives can cause seals to swell or degrade, creating new leaks and damaging the system. But remember, adding fluid is a temporary fix. It gets you to the repair shop, but it doesn't solve the underlying problem. A professional will put your car on a lift to properly diagnose the source of the leak. They can trace the fluid path to pinpoint the exact component that has failed. This expert diagnosis ensures you're fixing the right part the first time. Bottom line, be proactive. Pay attention to the signals your car is giving you. Staying ahead of these symptoms is the key to saving yourself from the headache, literally and financially, of major steering repairs. Your arms, your car, and your wallet will thank you. Drive safe, and don't let your steering wheel win the wrestling match.